I have a Kwikset door lock, right? Let's say we want to replace this lock. Let's say you are moving and this is your personal lock, or you just want to replace it with the original door lock that it came with. So I'm about to show you how to do that. So step one, we're going to remove. See, I already switched my screws. I got the longer one. This, then this one. So for this one, I don't like to drill because I don't want to scratch. This right here. But the smarter thing to do is take the battery out, okay? That's the first thing you should do. And then I'm going to use my handy dandy screwdriver. I don't use the one on the bottom because this handle always gets in the way. I think it's really annoying. So I don't put that third screw there. Okay, then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm going to remove, that's in there. I'm going to remove that. All right. And now over here, you can just remove that. And then you want to untuck. All right, take this out. We're going to place this right here. Then I put my hand on this keypad and I rub it around, and then I hold my finger. So I make like a C, right? Like a C, and then you want to hold both together, and you'll see why. So remove that. Put my drill away, take the screws, and I'm still holding the front. I can feed that out, and then sometimes it's on there pretty good, see? Then you don't want to yank it out. So I'm slightly going to use the rubber part of my drill. That out there. Okay. Sometimes it gets stuck. Just push the cover back, and then you can remove everything. And wipe it off. So that's how you remove the door lock. All right. So now you have a clean slate. You can install your new lock. So in part 2, I'm going to show you how to install the other one. Actually, I'll show it in the same video. So now we're going to take this one, make sure it's pointing up, right? Originally, most of the time, this is the screws that it'll come with, and look at the difference between this screw and the one I put in, right? Like, which one you think is gonna do better at holding the hinge in place? This one, because one kick, this will just give up. So I'm gonna put my heavy duty. So don't over tighten it, all right? Then same thing here, just like that. All right, now we take this part, and then this is the other 2 screws for it. This one is pretty simple. You come outside, you just insert this flat into the store. I like to make sure the readings is, like it doesn't look weird. Everything looks symmetrical. You put that in there. Then I take this one. I do the same thing. I go in there. Make sure it's flushed. If it's not getting in, that means it doesn't match. There you go. Boom. And you can try it. Right? So then you just go. You can pull the cover back a little bit so you can see if you're in there. Yep, there we go. Then I am slightly going to drill in. Boom, just enough for it to hold it. And I'm gonna grab this one. You see what I'm doing? I'm putting my foot right here so it can hold the door in place. And then I'm... That's it. Close the door. As you can see, now we have a lock for it. But I'm gonna put my lock back on there. I'm gonna show you that on the second video.
Guys, if you made it this far into the video, I really want to say thank you, and I truly hope you learn not just how to remove the door lock, but also how to put your own door lock on. By the way, if you're in DFW, Forney, Garland, Sigerville, Dallas, holla at me, because I do this for a living. So if you don't want to do this yourself, I can definitely take care of it for you. By the way, drop me a like, comment, and please subscribe so I can get this information out to more people. Thank you. I'm out. See you next time.
Can you feel it? That pull in your chest. Let go, don't think. Just move with the rest.